Across the globe, humanity continues to build on a scale that defies imagination. These are the megaprojects, colossal undertakings of steel, concrete, sheer willpower. They are more than just structures. They are monuments to our ambition, our innovation, our relentless drive to push beyond the known limits. These projects demand immense resources, years of meticulous planning, and the coordinated effort of thousands of skilled individuals. While some are triumphs of engineering, others become cautionary tales of overreach. The year 2026 stands as a pivotal moment for many of these giants, a year when blueprints and aspirations finally meet the hard reality of completion, or significant reevaluation. This essay will count down some of the most awe-inspiring megaprojects tied to the year 2026. We will journey from sprawling new airports designed to connect continents, monumental towers that pierce the clouds. Each entry represents a unique challenge and a distinct vision for the future. Our countdown begins in Australia with a project designed to solve a modern urban problem: traffic. The Sydney Gateway is a landmark AUD $2.6 billion road network project aimed at transforming access to Sydney Airport Port Botany. For years, travelers and freight operators have navigated a congested and confusing web of local roads to reach a major international hub. This project promises to untangle that knot, creating a seamless, toll-free connection that slashes travel times and improves the flow of goods and people. It's a critical piece of infrastructure for a growing global city. The project's sheer complexity makes it a true megaproject. Construction: 19 new bridges widening or realigning major motorways, all while keeping the area operational. The Tren Maya spans roughly 1,500 kilometers across southeast Mexico. A new spine stitching together remote regions, ports, and tourist hubs. Its rolling stock brings modern, intercity comfort to a once hard-to-reach landscape. The contrast is striking: ancient Maya sites and cutting-edge rail technology. The route forms a vast loop, linking cities, resorts, and indigenous communities. Engineering spans jungles, cenotes, wetlands, and karst terrain. New stations nod to regional design languages. Archaeology and environmental mitigation have shaped alignments and timelines. As segments open, the network knits together tourism and trade. 2026 is pivotal for full route integration, fleet ramp-up, and systems commissioning. A journey where the past meets the present at speed, ancient wonders beside modern rails. Next, we travel to Somerset in the United Kingdom for a project of immense scale and national importance: the Hinkley Point C nuclear power plant. This is one of the largest and most complex construction projects in Europe. Its purpose is to provide a reliable, low-carbon source of electricity for approximately 6 million homes, contributing to the UK's energy security and carbon reduction goals. The project's cost has been revised to £31 to £34 billion. Full operations are now toward the end of the decade, but 2026 marks a crucial milestone: installing the enormous Unit 1 turbine. At 75 meters long, it demands precision on a monumental scale. The site resembles a city building a machine to harness the atom. Despite delays, 2026 progress signals continued commitment to a quiet giant on the Somerset coast. Our journey now takes us to the border between the United States and Canada, where a new icon is rising over the Detroit River. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is an engineering marvel, strengthening one of North America's most vital trade corridors. It provides a modern alternative to the aging Ambassador Bridge. With an 853-meter main span, it will be the longest cable-stayed bridge in North America. The human element shines in the cable works, skill and precision high above the water. Completion updated to September 2025. Early 2026 focuses on final checks and commissioning. Integrated border plazas aim to make crossings faster, safer, and more efficient. A powerful testament to international cooperation and the infrastructure of tomorrow. From the modern marvels of infrastructure, we turn to a project that is a living piece of history. The Sagrada Familia continues its slow journey toward completion. Conceived by Antoni Gaudí, construction began in 1882. Generations of artisans have labored to realize this vision. a blend of Gothic and Art Nouveau. 2026, the centenary of Gaudí's death, marks a symbolic target, a monumental milestone, completion of the central towers, dedicated to the four evangelists and to Jesus Christ, reshaping Barcelona's skyline. The stonework astonishes in its precision and symbolism, a bridge from the 19th to the 21st century. Art, devotion, and engineering in stone. We return to the United States, to the bustling metropolis of New York City, for our next project. At its heart, the $9.5 billion New Terminal 1, a world-class passenger experience, not a renovation, but a full rebuild to a unified, state-of-the-art facility. 2.4 million square feet, spacious, intuitive, and sunlit. Biometric screening and advanced baggage systems anchor efficiency. Warm materials and greenery craft a calming atmosphere. 2026 marks major structural completion and initial gates nearing readiness. Panoramic airfield views define the terminal's identity. A bold bet on the future of travel, and a new front door for New York. We now turn our gaze upward, to the sky above Saudi Arabia. The Jeddah Tower, previously the Kingdom Tower, aims to be the first building to reach 1 kilometer. After a pause, construction has accelerated. By early 2026, reports place the core above 80 floors, with some accounts at 84. A three-winged, tapering form confuses winds and tames vortices. Render meets reality. Sleek, glass-clad spire rising over the Red Sea coast. Unprecedented challenges. Extreme height concrete and next-gen elevator systems. Double-decker cabs and a record-setting observation deck are planned. An icon for a nation and a new benchmark for structural ambition. 2026 is a key chapter in this vertical odyssey. Section 9, Number 3. Intel's Silicon Heartland spans nearly 1,000 acres with 2 massive fabs, an initial $20 billion, potentially $100 billion over a decade. Chips power everything from phones and cars to critical infrastructure. Each fab houses ultra-clean environments where nanometer-scale features are etched. The footprint is staggering. Dozens of football fields of precision manufacturing. 2026 is critical for tool installation and line integration. A new tech ecosystem takes root across the Midwest. Strategic capacity, economic and national security intertwined. A foundational bet to reshape global manufacturing from the heartland. Section 10. Number 2. Artemis II. Our penultimate entry takes us beyond Earth's atmosphere. A colossal engineering and human endeavor. NASA's first crewed Artemis flight sends 4 astronauts around the moon. Years of development and billions invested in SLS and Orion. Planned for late 2025 or early 2026. The first human voyage to lunar vicinity in over 50 years. The iconic view from Orion will echo Apollo and point to a new era. A global moment, thunder from the Cape and eyes on the skies. A bold step back into the cosmos, and a testament to unyielding curiosity. Section 11. Number 1. The Line. A project so audacious it borders on science fiction. The original vision, 170 kilometers long, 500 meters high, 200 meters wide, a car-free, zero-carbon city mirrored across the desert. But the vision has met execution realities, with scope scaled back. Focus shifts to a 2 to 5 kilometer central segment, targeting structural completion by late 2026. Even scaled, a multi-kilometer mirrored wall remains a radical experiment. Part land art, part megastructure. Conclusion: a year of concrete dreams. As our countdown comes to a close, we are left with a powerful impression of human endeavor in 2026. From pragmatic connections to mind-bending ambitions, these projects span the full spectrum. Some are about commerce and connection, others faith and artistry, and some propel us beyond our world. This year is a reality check. Visions tempered by logistics, budgets, and physics. Yet milestones in 2026 are tangible victories on a long road. These works force us to ask what future we are building. Which project is the most insane, Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Facto for more deep dives into the future.